realize you're in the wrong lane, right? Yep, wrong lane. It's a stop sign, Mr. Silverado. Don't think that'll get picked up. Try anyway. Be careful when passing gas. Ha 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 ha. We're going direct to the left lane. Yes, we are. Supposed to stop before you turn. Yeah, stop before, yeah. You're supposed to stop. But, you know, Toyota.
Town police officer known as the Dancing Cop in Seatown has died. Officer Donald Thomas was well known by tourists and townspeople alike.
Are they running red? I think there was a red light runner in there. Go. Well. Morons! Get off my tail, thank you. Great. Jesus Christ, you're a fucking asshole. Maine 6049XR. It's green, dummy. You have a green arrow, you can go. Budget truck wasn't supposed to do that. You know, left or right turn only from there. Let's see. One stopped. 2 did not stop. 3 did not stop. 4 did not stop. I have to stop because their car is coming. Well, you're supposed to stop before you turn. No, 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 no. Red means stop. Planet you're from, douchebag, but you know, on this planet full of douchebags, we stop at red lights. And look how far it got ya. We're in the red. Jeep taking the frig off. Oh, no, you can't. Don't go. Don't go. What the hell's happening here? The hell you ignoring for, dude? The road's still blocked. Asshole! Yeah. 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 Blocked the road. Yeah, I can't tell if he rolled the stop. But he rolled the stop. He rolled the, yeah, that one rolled the stop. And that one rolled the stop. And that one rolled the stop. And this one stopped. Okay. Tally is 3, maybe 4. Fucking go already, will you? And the back roller one. He didn't stop. Yeah, he really. Oh, nope, that was not a stop. Is this a stop? Oh, that pickup on my left did not stop. So, yeah. Unfortunately, you couldn't see it. Just take my word for it. I never lied to you people. Is he right back there? What's going on?
Subaru Ascent, starting at only $31,995, or lease for only $299.
Get 'em on!
It's time now for traffic and weather together. We start with the Subaru retailers in New England all-wheel drive traffic on the trees. What's going on?
Good move, lady.
93 southbound Bedford Square.
Probably not gonna do that. Hey, that was a red light run. That was red before you even got near that. Did you even see me coming? Slow the fuck down. The hell was that? Oh, Lexus, go ahead, do it. One more. One more, you'll be all the way in the left lane. That's right. Stop sign. No, yeah, wrong lane can't wrong lane ride. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Would you mind, douchebag? You know, you... Fuck you, dude! Really? You had... Your lane was ending, not mine. Here, let me cut you off. You're gonna be like that asshole. Come on. Thank you. Don't roll it like that. I can sit in a room. That's not a stop, Camry. I think the Mazda stopped either. The BMW definitely didn't stop. What are you doing? Toyota strikes again. One lane. Did he stop? He didn't. Nope. That was a roll and maybe a roll. Let's see what happens here. Get off my tail. Thank you. I know you're just gonna roll it anyway. Yeah, of course. The Subaru. Thank you.
Last night, the Enterprise reporting the man was shot in the head outside his home at 10.
Is that an exit dive? That was an exit dive. No wonder. Earbuds in, you can't even hear the blinker. Control. Yep. Yeah. That was pretty much an exit dive too. So. Yeah, Corolla, the big truck coming at you, you know? Wakey, wakey. Go ahead, cut somebody else off. Go ahead, do it. Do it. Yeah. You're a dumbass! You're a Corolla driver! Oh, nice. You roll the stuff? Can you get on your own side of the road? Christ, your bus isn't that goddamn big, asshole. Yeah, oh. You're a douchebag. Christ's sake. Van rolls it. Pathfinder rolls it. Dodge rolled it. The Equinox rolled it. Camry's gonna roll it, of course. Oh, no, thank you. Suck, though. Roll, stop. Roll, stop. Damn it. What the fuck was that? Grandma? You do see me here, right? Jeez. And now I'm gonna watch everybody behind me roll the stop. Ready? There's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. JRM, of course. Yep, there's five. Was that six? I'd say that was six. That's seven. Oh, ha ha. Oh, we're impatient, huh? Jeep not gonna stop? Nope. She's rolling it. Who else is rolling it? Is the CRV gonna roll it? CRV is rolling it. Put down the phone! Christ, 2 friggin' seconds of your life, lady. Put down a fucking phone. Did they roll it? He rolled it. I just know people are gonna freaking roll it here, really. Do not enter.